Hello students, I think you are going through all of my videos. Till now I have released 3 videos. In my third video I discussed with each and every one of you about the cutoff ranks into different NITs in computer science course. There I discussed about the general cutoff ranks. General cutoff ranks. That means all the students putting together when they are given a common rank, that is what is called as a general category. But now when you consider, girls have some reservation in all the NITs. So now I want to discuss in my fourth video about the girls cutoff, that is female cutoff in computer science into different NITs. Now if you look at, generally girls have some better chance as they have some reservation. Just as a reminder, you look at this particular analysis. Again I remind you, to get a rank around 5000, your percentile should be 99.58 as per 2019, and for a rank below 10,000 you should get around 99.1, and for 15,000 rank it is 98.69. Like that, you just remind this particular analysis. For what percentile, what was the rank given in 2019. As per this, if we go through, after the completion of the 7th round, girls, they got into different NITs. In computer science course. Suppose if you consider NIT Trichy, the other state girls students got up to 2371 rank. For general category students, for boys, this rank you can observe in my third video, that was around 1300. Whereas for girls, NIT Trichy, other state students got up to 2371. So girls have better edge when compared to boys. Even if your performance, a girl student performance is not on par with boys, you have better chances of getting into better IITs. A boy who got 1300 rank is eligible to get into NIT Trichy computer science course, whereas for a girl, even if your rank is 2371, you have a chance of getting computer science in NIT Trichy. I tell you, for 2300 rank, as per this, you can say it may be around 99.8 percentile, around 99.8. So if you are around 99.8, percentile, you are a non-local student to NIT Trichy, and if you are a girl student, then you have a chance of getting into NIT Trichy computer science course. So all the girls, you please take this opportunity seriously and work hard. Suppose a girl student is at around 99.4, 99.5, 99.6. If she works hard for the remaining 40 days, certainly she has a better chance of getting around 99.8 something. So if your rank, if you can keep up around 2300, 2200, there is no doubt that even if you are a non-local student, you can get computer science course in NIT Trichy. Yesterday, one student asked me a doubt. I belong to Tamil Nadu state, but I am studying in AP. Whether I am local or non-local to NIT Trichy. The eligibility condition is very clear, my dear students. Wherever you study 12th class, there you are local. It doesn't depend on your birthplace, it doesn't depend on your brought up place, it doesn't depend upon your schooling till 10th class. If you are studying 11th and 12th class in a particular state, there you are a home state student. Even though you are a Tamil Nadu born student studying your 12th class in AP, you are considered as local candidate to AP. You are not at all local candidate to Tamil Nadu. If your 12th class is in AP, you are AP local. If your 12th class is in Telangana, you are Telangana local student. That means you belong to NIT Warangal home state student. So I repeat again, I come back to my discussion because that particular student asked that question. I am giving explanation in this video. So if you are a non-local student to NIT Trichy, some students may study in Karnataka, some students may study in Andhra Pradesh, some students may study in Kerala. Like that, if you are a non-local student to NIT Trichy, if your rank is around 2371, certainly there is a chance of getting computer science in NIT Trichy. So I request all the girl students to make use of this opportunity. A boy is going to get computer science course in NIT Trichy only when his rank is 1300, whereas a girl non-local student can get NIT Trichy computer science even if her rank is 2371. Similar the case with Roorkela. It is 7503 cutoff rank for non-local girl students. Here majorly I am discussing about non-local cutoffs only, because if you belong to Andhra Pradesh and you are viewing my video, then you are considered to be non-local for all these. So I am confining my discussion only for the non-local candidates. So NIT Orissa, NIT Roorkee has a cutoff 7500. 7503 for girls computer science. For that 7500 rank, your percentile may be around 99.3, 99.4. So my advice is, all girls, if you are willing to join in computer science course in a prestigious NIT and your score in first mains is around 99 and 98.9, if you work hard and do better in the second examination and try for 99.4 or 99.5, there is a chance of getting computer science in NIT Roorkela, which is the best among all the NITs, which is better. It is in the second place as per the 2019 ranking given by Government of India. Similarly, Surathkal 3874 and NIT Warangal 3840. Here also you observe one more particular issue, the most important discussion. If you want to be in computer science, except in NIT Silchar, NIT Durgapur and Hamirpur, except these three. In the case of boys, it happened only in 2 NITs, whereas for girls, it happened in 3 different NITs. NIT Durgapur is in West Bengal, NIT Silchar is in Assam, NIT Hamirpur is in Himachal Pradesh. These are all far away from each and every one of you. When you are studying in Andhra Pradesh, when you are studying in Tamil Nadu, when you are studying in Karnataka, when you are studying in Telangana, these states are very far away. Mostly girls, you may not be allowed by your parents to go and join far away from your present area where you are residing. So try to concentrate more on these particular NITs. If you observe these particular NITs, again the chance of getting into computer science in the prestigious NITs is possible only when your rank is below 10,000. So my dear students, this is very clear for every one of you, unless until your score is around 99.1 or more than that, the percentile 99.1 or more than that, there is no chance of getting computer science, whether you may be a boy or girl. So work hard and do well for the second mains examination. The next most important branch every student dreams to get into the electronics and communication engineering. Very few may be interested in other courses, but majority of the students, when considered 80 to 90% of the students, their first choice is computer science and next followed by electronics and communication. These are the cutoffs. This is male student, general student, electronics and communication engineering, and the next one is female ECE. Here you can observe very clearly, NIT Trichy, you are a non-local student. If you are a boy, your possibility of getting into ECE is 3019. Whereas, if you are a girl, there is a chance even if your rank is 3500. So, clearly there is some edge over boys for girls. So, girls have better opportunities, girls have better chances, even if their score is a little bit this way, that way. So 3019 to 3500, almost even if you differ by 500 ranks, you may get into electronics and communication engineering if you are if you want to be in NIT Trichy electronics and communication engineering. You can clearly observe NIT Rourkela for boys, non-local students, it is 5600 cutoff. Whereas for girls it is 9375 cutoff. Even if you go through all these things, the second best course, electronics and communication engineering, for boys, Surat NIT, the cutoff is 11,401, Silchar Assam, mostly you may go or may not go, and NIT Durgapur is in West Bengal, 13,000. And NIT Hamirpur 15,000. Except these four areas, if you observe, majority of the cutoff ranks in electronics and communication is less than 12,000. So don't think that electronics communication you can easily get even if you get 20,000 rank or 25,000 rank. Unless until if you don't get below 12,000 rank, for boys I am talking about electronics and communication engineering, if you don't get below 12,000 rank, the possibility of getting into any NIT, if you are a non-local student, a boy, if you want to get into top NITs, your rank should be less than 12,000 if you want to be an electronics and communication engineering student. Whereas for girls, if you observe, the possibility is a little bit easy. When you want to go into ECE, into the top NITs, it is somewhat, they have some reservation. That is why they are getting even for 18,000 rank, and Surat, if you consider, even for 17,000 rank also they got into ECE NITs, and 11,771 for Nagpur. So around 15,000 or around 16,000, even if the rank for a girl is around 15,000, she may get into the top NITs, electronics and communication engineering. So my dear students, the purpose of sending all these analysis every day to you is assess yourself, clearly estimate yourself. By this time you might have come to a conclusion. Suppose a student is around 98.6 in the first examination, first mains 2020. So every one of you can estimate where you can be, maybe around 14,000 or 15,000. If your rank is 14,000 and 15,000 with the last year's estimation I am talking about, estimate yourself where you will be in 2020. Now in the 2020 first examination, if your percentile is 98.6, your rank is going to be around 15,000, this way, that way. For 15,000 rank, you are a non-local student. If you want to get into top NITs, and if your dream is computer science, you come to a conclusion, there is no chance. Even if you are a girl, non-local student, your dream is computer science into other top NITs, other state top NITs, there is no chance. So if your dream is into computer science in top NITs and you are a non-local candidate, certainly you keep in your mind that your rank should be less than 10,000. And for boys, if your dream is electronics and communication engineering, your rank should be less than 12,000. And for girls, even if it is less than 15,000, there is a possibility of getting into top NITs into electronics and communication engineering. This is only to educate you, to work hard, because the time is very limited, only 40 days. So I request every one of you, utilize your teachers, ask your teachers to give you assignments. In the future videos, I will send you what are the chapters that you need to concentrate more. One by one, I will come up to. I hope these videos will be useful for you. Please educate yourself. Take care of you. Be happy and be safe. Thank you very much.